Are you considering a switch to electric riding lawn mowers for your landscaping business or personal use? Let's explore why this might be a smart choice. Electric riding lawn mowers are beneficial for the environment. Unlike their gas counterparts, they produce zero emissions, meaning no exhaust, no pollution, and no harmful chemicals released into the air. Electric mowers like the Gravely Pro Turn EV are also designed to save you time and money on maintenance. They don't require oil changes, spark plug replacements, or air filter changes. These mowers are built without belts, transaxles, or fuel systems, which are common in gas mowers and often require frequent upkeep. This reduces maintenance costs and minimizes unexpected breakdowns. Electric mowers eliminate the need for gasoline, which can be a significant expense given today's fuel prices. They also have fewer moving parts, which means less wear and tear and a longer lifespan compared to traditional mowers. Concerned about power? The latest models, like the Gravely Pro Turn EV, offer the same, if not greater, power levels as gas mowers, ensuring you don't sacrifice performance for eco-friendliness. Additionally, the quiet operation of electric mowers enhances comfort and allows for mowing in noise-sensitive areas like schools and hospitals without disturbance. Electric riding lawn mowers offer numerous advantages, including environmental benefits, lower maintenance and operation costs, quieter operation, and powerful performance. They represent a smart choice for today and an investment in a more sustainable and cost-effective future. Thank you for watching. Consider making the switch to an electric mower and take a step towards a greener, more efficient lawn care practice. For more insights on innovative gardening tools and tips, stay tuned.